Hi, hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you are doing great. I'm Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel, Maths Smart Educate by Lakshmi. In this channel, I'm going to teach the various levels of examinations, especially intermediate Maths 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, with easy tips and tricks as well as easy methods I'm using that is very helpful to you for your public examination intermediate. So, in an intermediate public examination, you have to write clearly, detailedly. Especially in today's video, I'm going to give the TS Intermediate IPE 2021 syllabus regarding the maths. What is that? We'll look at here with a clear explanation I'm going to give. That is mostly helpful to you. So, what are the topics deleted? What are the various content deleted? Which exercises are deleted? I will going to give clearly. I hope so. This is mostly helpful to you. Please watch it and follow it. Right? First of all, look at the second year mathematics 2A portion. What is the syllabus is reduced in the year 2021. I have given clearly detailed here. First of all, chapter name and related portion I mentioned here. What is the first chapter? Complex numbers. He is mentioned that complex numbers 1.3 modulus and amplitudes and 1.4 geometrical and polar representation of complex numbers. Simply, indirectly is deleted 1C and 1D exercise completely, including the corresponding examples. That's on to the next topic, De Moivre's theorem. From this clearly mentioned that exercise to be section 2 onwards deleted. Means what exercise to be, what is the deleted portion is given, and also you can understand from the deleted portion what are the questions depends upon that one. We can delete corresponding examples also. Okay, on to the next chapter, quadratic equations and expressions. 3.3 quadratic inequations part is deleted. In the sense, exercise 3C complete deleted, including corresponding examples also. Is it clear? Now can come to the next part. We can observe that next chapter is permutations and combinations. It is mentioned that 5.3 permutations when the repetitions are allowed deleted. In the sense, 5B exercise is completely deleted. And 5.4 circular permutations is deleted means what? 5C exercise also deleted. And then 5.5 permutations with constraint repetitions deleted means 5D exercise is also deleted. And also is particularly mentioned that in 5E exercise section 3 is completely deleted. We can understand the corresponding the example which are depends upon the these deleted portion also. You can understand. You can observe the questions easily. You can understand what is a deleted portion, right? Next chapter is the binomial theorem. In this I mentioned that exercise 6A section 2 fifth problem onwards deleted. In the sense section 2 fifth problem onwards deleted as well as section 3 also. And exercise 4.6b section 2 and related examples problems are deleted. Means section 2 and related example problems are deleted. You have to understand. And exercise 6C complete deleted. Okay, this is very simple. But here what you can understand, very limited portion is there. Easily you can get the 1 2 mark question, 1 4 marks question from this chapter. So you can concentrate what is that portion, right? Now you can come to the next chapter is partial fractions. From this partial fractions is particularly mentioned that exercise 7D is deleted. Yes, exercise 7D we can delete it as well as corresponding examples also indirectly. And now come to the next topic, measures of dispersion. In this one he mentioned that 8.2.2 deviations of group data onwards. In the sense exercise 8A section 1 problems 3 onwards deleted. Means almost all exercise 8A is deleted. Only 2 questions in a section 1 to R will be available. We have to prepare them because this weightage is also given only 1 2 mark question from this topic. Easily you can get the 1 2 mark question. Whatever may be ungrouped data questions are available. Okay, right. Now come to the next chapter, probability. From this 9.3 3.9 Bayes theorem and problems on Bayes theorem are deleted means directly 9C exercise second Roman number problem 3 onward deleted as well as third section completely deleted. These are depends upon the Bayes theorem and Bayes theorem itself also deleted. That's why don't prepare the Bayes theorem. Whatever may be questions depends on Bayes theorem is also completely deleted. These are totally 30% deleted portion maths 2A I explained that clearly each and every topic what is deleted portion including the exercise numbers and section number and so on. I think so you followed very well. So follow it carefully. Now can come to the B paper, right? Yes, in maths to B portion 30% what is deleted portion, you can observe that topic name, first chapter parabola. From this 3.2 equations of tangents and normals at the point on the parabola is deleted. In the sense exercise 3b including the examples completely deleted. Okay, right. Now next chapter is ellipse. Is mentioned that 4.2 equations of tangents and normals at a point on the ellipse. Means indirectly exercise 4b is deleted completely. You can observe that, you can understand that corresponding examples also indirectly deleted, right? And also next chapter is hyperbola. From this he mentioned that 5.2 equations of tangents normal at the point on the hyperbola is deleted. In the sense here there is only one exercise. In that exercise 5a section 2 onwards and related examples also deleted. Come to the next topic, indefinite integration. Briefly I will tell about this topic. Exercises 6 C, D, E, F are deleted completely including the examples also. No need to worry about those 4 exercises, and you have to concentrate on 6A, 6B exercises including the examples. From this only he is giving that one of the latest model paper from 6A, 6B exercise only including the examples has given 3 7 marks to 2 mark questions. It's a very limited syllabus. Easily can focus the more number of questions on this topic. That's why please guys prepare seriously. So very easy portion is there. Nothing to worry about this indefinite integrations. Now I can come to the definite integrations. Definite integrations exercise 6b section 2 from question number 8 to 15 are deleted, and section 7.5 deduction formula means section 7c is deleted. 7.6 applications of definite integrations of areas means indirectly 7d is deleted. Means simply 7c 7d exercises are deleted and 7b section 2 8 to 15 questions are deleted. You can understand indirectly the corresponding examples also deleted. Is it clear? Now can come to the last and final topic, differential equations. From this is mentioned that 8.2b homogeneous differential equations means 8c exercise is deleted. 8.2c that is non-homogeneous D means differential equations 8d exercise is deleted, and 8.2d means linear differential equations indirectly 8e exercise also deleted. So what are the exercises deleted? 8, C, D, E are deleted. You can understand indirectly corresponding examples also deleted. This is a deleted portion about the maths to be. So I hope so this is also followed very well. So you can understand what is the deleted portion. Don't concentrate on that one. What is the rest of the portion? You have to concentrate. Guys, syllabus is deleted. Only limited syllabus is that too. Easy syllabus is available, and also pattern of the question paper is also changed. There is a more choice in section 2 and 3. So you have to concentrate more on the section 1 because there is no choice. What are the topics available in section 1? 2 marks weightage, and I will give now what is the weightage of each and every topic. 2 marks, 4 marks, 7 marks and total marks, and the total I am giving the 2A and 2B. Now we can follow that weightage. According to that weightage only we will go in public examination. That weightage is prepared by given recent model papers issued by the Board of Intermediate Examinations. So we can understand that is only clearly blueprint. He won't issue any blueprint, just he has issued the various recent model papers of all subjects. According to the model papers only I prepare this weightage. You can follow that weightage. According to that only mostly you will give the question paper. Are you ready for weightage? Yes, look at now. Look at this chart. Here I mentioned that maths to A weightage according to the 2021 syllabus. I mentioned that topic name and 2 marks, 4 marks, 7 mark questions. How many questions will come in each topic from this column? You can understand what is total of each topic also I mentioned here. Is it clear now? Now you can understand what is the first topic. complex numbers. From the complex numbers to 2 marks, 1 4 marks will come, no 7 marks. Total weightage is 8 marks. Now can come to the next chapter is De Moore's theorem. From this 1 2 marks, 1 4 marks, 1 7 marks will come, means totally its weightage is 13 marks. Now what is next topic? Quadratic equations and expressions. From this one 1 2 1 4 1 7 means here also from this also 13 marks weightage. And next topic is theory of equations. From this theory of equations 1 2 marks, 1 4 marks, 2 7 mark questions will come. 1 2 marks, 1 4 marks, 2 7 marks, totally 20 marks weightage from this topic. And the next permutations and combinations. From this permutations and combinations, 2 marks and 2 4 marks, 1 7 mark question will come, means its weightage is 19 marks. And the next topic is binomial theorem. From this 1 2 marks and 1 4 7 marks will come, no 4 marks. So totally it's 9 marks weightage. Now next topic is partial fractions. From the partial fractions, no 2 marks, no 7 marks, only 4 marks weightage, means 2 questions will go you from the 4 marks, means what it is totally 8 marks weightage. And then come to the measures of dispersion. In this also no 7 marks, no 4 marks, only 1 2 mark question, only limited portion is there, its weightage is 2 marks. Now next topic is probability. From the probability we can observe that 1 2 marks, 2 4 marks, 2 7 mark questions will come, means total its weightage is 24 marks. And the last and final topics, distributions. This is also known as random variables and distributions. Here no 2 marks, no 4 marks, 2 7 mark questions will come, that is totally 14 marks weightage. We can add all these total, it is a 130 marks total including the choice. You know that clearly only section 1, no choice, you have to write 10 out of 10 questions, each carries 2 marks. Section 2 has 10 questions, you have to write any 5 questions, each carries 4 marks, you know very well. Under section C also there are the 10 questions, we have to write any 5 questions, so each carries 7 marks. So there is a lot of choice, you have to concentrate that to limited syllabus. This weightage is given, what is a syllabus is there 70%, from that only I have given this weightage. Okay, so you can understand easily, so you can follow it easily, there is no difficulty, just you have to concentrate, you can avoid all your doubts from your mind, delete all your doubts in your mind, sincerely, dedicatedly do the practice, definitely can get the maximum marks, what is your expectation more than that, right? To the maths to be weightage of 2021. So as usual, topic name 2 marks, 4 marks, 7 marks total of each topic I have given here. First topic, circles. You know, circles is one of the used topic, weightage also more, that's why you have to concentrate maximum questions, do the practice more and more, then only can get the maximum marks. Okay, what is its weightage? We can now observe that 2 mark questions, 2 4 mark questions, 3 7 mark questions will come, means total weightage is 33 marks. This is maximum weightage among all these topics. Just you have to concentrate what are the at least most important questions. There is no difficult at all. Every question you can focus easily from the circle chapter. So because of this is a more weightage, no deletions at all. So you have to concentrate total syllabus and you can concentrate all types of questions also. Is it clear now? Now come to the next topic, system of circles. From the system of circles also no deleted portion, I have to prepare all. So from this 1 2 marks, 1 4 marks, 1 7 mark questions will come. So total its weightage is 13 marks. Now next parabola, what is deleted portion already you know from the parabola. Now what is a non-deleted portion, from that only we can get the questions already you know, indirectly can understand. From this 1 2 marks, 1 7 mark questions will come, means total it's 9 marks weightage. Now come to the ellipse. From the ellipse 2 4 mark questions will come, no 2 mark question, no 7 mark question, means 2 4 marks means 8 marks weightage. Now hyperbola, from this 1 2 mark, 1 4 mark question will come, no 7 marks, its weightage is 6 marks, right? Now can come to the calculus, that is the definite integrations. From the definite integrations, 2 marks, 3 7-mark questions will come. Totally 25 marks weightage. Very limited syllabus is there. From that we can get the 25 marks. He may give them even the 2 mark question. He will give as a 4 marks, maybe 4-mark question he will give as a 7 marks. We don't know how he will give, but from the portion what is available, from that only will give the totally 2 marks or 3 7-mark questions, right? Now come to the definite integrations. From this definite integrations, 2 marks, 2 4 marks, 1 7-mark question will come. And the total its weightage is 19 marks. It is also very interesting and easiest topic. If you do the practice more number of questions and the most important questions, easily can get the 19 marks here. There is no doubt about it. Okay, now last and final topic is differential equations. From this differential equations, 1 2 marks, 2 4 marks, 1 7-mark question will come. So total its weightage is 17 marks. These are the various topics under the 2B maths. What are the topics you know very well, what is its weightage also you know very well from this chart, and also you know total marks. Along with the choice, it is totally 130 marks including the choice. You know what you have to focus, so what type of questions will go, etc. We can prepare the syllabus sincerely, dedicated. Definitely can focus the more number of questions on this one. You can, there is chance to attempt the extra questions also if you know very well. So that is all those can do. That is in your hand only. Start the preparation seriously. Don't tension you take the tension in your mind. Just you have to start the preparation sincerely, dedicatedly. What you can get the more than your expectation, no doubt about it, because of very limited portion is there. That is also very easy portion is there. Even the 2A and 2B, we can concentrate what is a proportion including the exercise and examples. You may give the maybe what type of question don't understand, like that you may give the 2 marks, maybe 4 marks, 4 marks, maybe 7 marks, like that you will go. At the moment we don't know how we will go, but you have to prepare sincerely, dedicatedly from your side. Definitely you can focus more than your expectation. I hope so you can do it. Dear students, don't believe the rumors. Ready from your side. You may conduct the exams at any cost. I think so. Don't believe the rumors. It will be cancelled, promoted, like this. You have to concentrate on your preparation. That's it at the moment. I hope so. This is very helpful to you. Given here what is the deleted portion, clearly detailed including the exercise and examples, and also I have given what is the weightage of 2A and 2B, each and every topics, 2 marks, 4 marks and 7 marks total also. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. What is your opinion? Give a feedback. What is your requirement also? Put a comment. Definitely I will fulfill your requirement. What may your doubts, you can mention in the comment section. Definitely I will rectify your doubts. We'll see you in your next video with a new content, new topic. Till then, have a great time. Take care. All the best for your preparation. Goodbye.